All right, like I said, I kind of already know where I want to put the placement of this. So I'll go ahead and put it up there.
Ldubbeats got that fire.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day, another project in my garage. So today, as you guys can see, I got the Jeep SRT sitting right here in the driveway. And what I'm going to put on today is some tire stickers. So I got my tire stickers came in the mail for the Jeep. It's got 392 Hemi on it and Jeep SRT. So just cleaned up the truck. It's cold as hell outside. As you guys can see, I got my get up on today. So what we got here is, if you're just tuning in, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like, share, comment at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think. So here we go right here, man. So I did a little different on these ones, man. So these ones actually came in as one whole strip. Let me put this down real quick. So as you guys can see, I did it with the Dunlop wheels. I mean Dunlop tires, how they come. So I did a solid piece of rubber, and then the lettering's already put on there. So TIRESTICKERS.com is where I got these from, and how they're going to go on today is with this tire glue. It's almost like a rubber cement. I'm going to clean the tire sidewalls with this mineral spritz right here, or white spritz, whatever you want to call it. So the tires are pretty brand new. So I'll rub that down really quick. I got my heat gun, just to maybe help speed up the process with drying it, because it is cold out here. I'm not going to take the truck anywhere today, but I am going to put them on there and yeah, see what it looks like, man. I think it's going to come out pretty good. So let me give you guys, we'll show you guys what it looks like so far. Let me step back without the tire stickers, and then of course, you know, I'm gonna give you guys some of that B-roll with the tire stickers on. So that's what it looks like right now. Man, that dang vinyl wrap came out really good. I like it. Some people may not, some people do. But yeah, it came out pretty good, I think, for the most part. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this stuff set up. I'm gonna set up the camera, show you guys how I'm doing it, and the process. Like I said, once again, another DIY project, right? So yeah, let me go ahead and get that set up for you guys and turn you guys back on. Let's go. All right, guys, so I actually changed it up. My wife gave me some acetone, 98% acetone here. Nail, I don't know what this is, gel polish remover stuff. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this on here to clean off the tire. So I'm gonna prep it with this. Like I said, I already washed the wheel, washed the tire, soap and water. I'm gonna prep it with this, and then we'll go ahead and start gluing the decal on right here. All right, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. I mean, these haven't really had any tire shine on them since we bought it. As you guys can see, it cleans it pretty good. I'm trying to strip the oils off of it, as you guys can see here. So you kind of want to do it until it's white, not white, but grayish looking on your tail. You ain't gonna get all the oils off of it, because at the end of the day, these tires got oils in them that would continuously bleed through. So just try to do as much as you can. What I like about these tires too is pretty smooth. They don't have too many raised lettering on this tire. So as you guys can see, it's starting to get better, a lot more cleaner. Typically I take these tires off to do it, but it's too cold. I'm sure I can get away with it like this, but you see, as you guys can see, it's not that black anymore. All right, I think that's good enough. Put the top one on. red on first. All right, so this one says 392 Hemi, so it'll go here. Try to get as close as I can to the edge of the tire there. I'm trying to just trying to measure it where I want it at. I think that should be fine. All right. So it has a clear protective film on it. All right, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and put glue all on the back of this, and then put it up there. So this is the glue that it comes with right here. Your tire stickers, like I said, rubber. It's almost like a rubber cement. All right, as you guys can see, I got glue on all the way on the edges. I had to pick it up and bring it up here on my table. All right, so I got enough glue on there. What I'll do is I'll bring it back and set you guys back up over here, and we'll go ahead and place it where we wanted it, and then just hold it tight there for a little bit. All right, let me grab it real fast. All right, like I said, I kind of already know where I want the placement of this, so I'll go ahead and put it up there. Lightly press on it. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my heat gun because it'll make the rubber a little softer and I can press it down a little bit better. Alright, what I do is I'll start pressing it a little harder. You see the glue kind of protrude out. All right, guys, so I got that one on. It still has the plastic protector on it, so I'm gonna leave that on for right now. I want to make sure this is all dry before I pull that off, and I just keep pushing, applying pressure on here, just to make sure that all the glue is adhering to the tire. But I actually like these a lot better. It looks better to me. It is. So yeah, let me go ahead and I'm gonna do the back one because I want to do the top parts of it first, and then I'll put the white one on, which is going to be at the bottom, and I'll turn you guys back on. So let me go ahead and go to the rear. I'll do that one off camera because it's the same process steps that I have to do on every single tire, but I'll turn you guys back on once I get these all completed and thrown on, give you guys some of that B-roll, show you guys what it looks like. But overall, man, I think it's gonna make the wheels pop a little bit more. I'm thinking about still throwing some white vinyl on here on the rims itself, but we'll see after I put these tire stickers on. Stay locked in.
2,000 years later.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's another day. It's not too cold out today, but it is mist and rain out. So I have one more tire left to do on the SRT. I wasn't able to get to it last night after I ate dinner. It started raining. It got colder, it got dark, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough light to knock it out. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a stand, show you guys this last tire, the entire full a video of how I am putting these tire stickers on there. So I'm gonna put the red one and the white one on there, and then once I'm completed there, give you guys some of that B-roll footage of what the Jeep looks like. Maybe I can get some rolling footage. We'll see what's up. It's raining out, and I washed the Jeep yesterday, so I don't know if I'm gonna do the rolling footage because I'm not trying to get it all dirty again. But yeah, stay locked in. About to get this going. Let's go. All right, guys. So place it right here. Softly place it on there. A little higher with it. The way I got it. What I like to do is just softly press it on there. All right, and what I do is I'll take the heat gun, as I showed you guys before, just to soften up the rubber, and then press it down. All right, guys, so finally done with the Jeep SRT. Tire stickers are on there. You know, I got to give you guys some of that B-roll real quick because it looks fire, boy. God dang, that thing looks so good. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and hit you guys with some of this B-roll real quick because it came out really nice. Let me give you that B-roll, what I like to say in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Ldubbeats got that fire.